You drag the app to the trash and think it is gone. In reality, your Mac keeps preferences, caches, and support folders behind, sometimes hundreds of megabytes, for an app you have not opened in months. In 5 steps, I will show you how to remove it properly without breaking anything. Step 1. Look for the official uninstaller first. If the app ships one, that is the cleanest route. It does everything for you. Open the Applications folder and look for the app's own folder. Inside, you often find a file called Uninstall. Adobe, Microsoft, and antivirus apps all work this way. Use their uninstaller, not the trash. Step 2. The trash, done properly. Quit the app first, or macOS will tell you it is still in use. From Applications, drag the app to the trash. Then empty the trash. While it sits in there, it still takes up space. Being asked for your admin password is normal. It is not a warning sign. Step 3. The leftovers live in the library. This is where the bulk hides. The folder is invisible. In the Finder, open the Go menu, then go to Folder, and type ~library. Look inside Application Support, Caches, Preferences, and Containers. Only bin the folders that carry the app name or the developer name. Step 4. Remove the startup leftovers. A removed app can leave a piece behind that still launches at boot. Open System Settings, then General, and go to Login Items and Extensions. Remove the entries left by the app you deleted. If an icon is still in the menu bar after a restart, this is where it comes from. Step 5. Check and close. Final check, 30 seconds. Empty the trash again and restart your Mac. Then search the app name in Spotlight. Nothing should show up. Unsure about a library file? Do not delete it. Move it to the desktop for a week. One golden rule. Inside the library, you only touch what carries the app name. Tell me in the comments which app left the most junk behind. Subscribe to Tatos for more Apple tutorials.